Also, I'm very scared. What's good, my peoples?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
It's your girl Nicole. Welcome. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you've been rocking with me, okay, thank you, boo. Hey, so don't mind my shiny face. Okay, I just did my skincare routine. Okay, and today, you already saw the title, so today we messing with my eyebrows. We messing with my eyebrows, child. I haven't done a sit down video in a minute, haven't I? Okay, so yeah, be messing with my eyebrows. I tried to record this video a couple weeks ago, but I just wanted to wait until I got my eyebrows done, and boom, okay, your girl just got her eyebrows done. So I was like, it's time to record this video. I picked up the MINA eyebrow henna, so we about to henna our eyebrows. Okay, I got this off of Amazon, and I got it because I saw a video from Happy Girl. I don't know if you follow her, but if you do, you should. She did a video about doing this, and her eyebrows are pretty sparse, like it's really light, and so I wanted to see what it was gonna look like on my eyebrows, being that my eyebrows they're not thick, they're a little sparse as well, but they, you know, they're cooking, they doing what they need to do. Okay, so we about to do that today. It says it's supposed to last up to 6 weeks. It's a semi-permanent, and I got it in the color dark brown. The colors that it comes in is black, dark brown, light brown, medium brown, golden brown, copper brown, burgundy, okay, gray, pearl gray, ash blonde, and regular blonde. Okay, so we got all the colors for all of the girls here. Okay, that's what it says right there on the back. I hope it has extensive instructions, child. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. It's supposed to be 3, so it's 3 different applicators in here, or different mixes, I'm guessing, my bad. So it's 3 different mixes in here, and I guess this is the stuff that you use to actually mix it. So when Happy Girl did hers, she used like a eyebrow brush, so I'm going to use that as well because it doesn't come with one of those in the pack. So I'm gonna just grab me one of mine. So it comes with all these different tools and stuff in here. So baby, we about to read the instructions because I'm looking at this thing like in IKEA furniture right now. Look, I only need this part of the instructions. Okay, so it says that 1 packet is enough for 8 sets of eyebrows, baby. So that's what this is. I'm guessing this is so that you can like save it. And it says take 1/2 spoon of powder. Okay, so this is the 1/2 spoon.
Take 1/2 spoon of powder in a measuring cup and pour a few drops of water using the dropper. Then mix it with the spoon for 5 to 10 minutes until the parts dissolve and they're smooth.
Okay, so y'all don't follow me. Okay, I'm just doing this to do this. Okay, I'm not no professional, I'm not no disclaimer. Okay, also I'm very scared. These are my eyebrows we're talking about, and I got my glasses on just so that I can read, but I'm gonna take them off as soon as it's time. I'm making a mess, filling it all over the place. Y'all don't even want to see. Okay, I put 1 spoonful in there, but I don't know, is that enough? Like, okay, so this is what it look like. I feel like a chemist in here. Okay, so I'm about to just put my drops of water. I'm scared, I don't want to put too much. Oh, I'm supposed to put the whole packet in here. Duh. Okay, y'all, I'm tripping. I was wondering something was going wrong, y'all. Okay, now let's see. Okay, we might be cooking now. A tinting brush from root to tip. What tinting brush? They ain't give me no tinting brush. Okay, y'all, so this is really the only brush that I have with this kind of thing on the end for my eyebrows, and it's from Elf. And it has this little spoolie on the side. I just bent it myself so that it'll be, you know, nice, but I'm gonna be using this. Let me go ahead and take off my eyebrows. Okay, take off my eyebrows. Let me go ahead and take off my glasses, and let me zoom y'all in a little bit. Okay, so this is what's, come on in a little bit more. Okay, so this is what my eyebrows look like right now. Let's go ahead and I don't know if I'm supposed to like put like some oil or something around them or something. You know how you get a perm and you like kind of do the edges with the I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to do, but I ain't gonna do that. Y'all ready? I'm ready. I'm a little scared, but I'm ready. So first of all, I don't really want to do too much in the front. Like I'm just gonna do it like hairs, like a little bit of hairs in the front. I feel like I'm putting on a lot, but I might as well go hard or go home, right? And this eyebrow probably gonna come out better because this is my eyebrow that I always do better with. I'm scared. They look so different. Okay, y'all, so this is what we got. I'm really scared. I definitely think that one is gonna come out better than the other. So this is how much of it I have left. Sorry I didn't show y'all how much was in there to begin with, but yeah, this is how much I got left. So I'm going to start the timer for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so we are back. It's been 10 minutes, okay? It's been sitting on my face. I got me a cotton pad. I should get two, right? I have two eyebrows, duh. Okay, so anywho, I'm going to use witch hazel. I think I want to use witch hazel. Does it specify what you should use? Okay, so it says with a cleanser, so I'm going to use witch hazel. Let me bring y'all back in. Okay, so that's what we got going on. And baby, I feel like it's not coming off. Oh my God. Oh, it did something. It did a lot, actually. Don't be like Nicole, thinking it's not gonna really do anything. Oh, child. Okay, there we go. You got to rub this baby. Whoa. 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 Oh. Okay. Like, I literally do not have to fill in my eyebrows, like, at all. Like, y'all, that's it. I think I got everything off that's supposed to come off. Y'all, I like this. Y'all, all I gotta do is brush my eyebrows and go. Wait a second. Okay, let me back y'all out. Yo, I can't believe that it came out like this. So the other girl that did, like I said, her eyebrows was a little light. So hers came out a little different, but mine's were already pretty, you know, dark and bushy and big. So I guess you have different results based on what you already start with. Girl, I'm gonna try to do it side by side so y'all can see where we were when we started. Yo, look, let me bring y'all back in. I love it. Y'all want to see how long this lasts, child? Make sure y'all watching my vlogs, okay? Because I'm gonna let y'all know. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing this every so often. I can't believe I did this. Okay, so what I would do differently is make sure that I really do better with the ombre effect, like do a little bit here and then get it thicker as I go down the brow. But for this being my first time doing it, I am happy with the results because at least I don't look crazy. It's gonna be on my face and I do gotta go to work tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but well, when this video comes out, it'll be tomorrow. So yeah. Girl, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. I can't believe this came out like this. But yeah, so thanks for watching, y'all, and let me know what y'all feeling like. Let me know what y'all thoughts are down below, please. I love y'all. Bye.